Most people are disputing online the wrong things with the credit bureaus and getting nowhere fast. If you've been sending disputes online and keep hearing verified, then this video is for you. I'm breaking down exactly what you should dispute online with Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion, and why they are the safest, most effective to dispute online. Welcome back to the channel that helps you rebuild, repair, and reclaim your credit power. Today, I'm teaching you what items you should only dispute directly with the credit bureaus. Not the collector, not the creditor, just the bureaus. Let's get into it. Part 1. What you should only dispute with the credit bureaus. First, let's be clear. Credit bureaus like Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion are data processors. They don't generate the data, they just report what others give them. So when you're disputing something, you're really asking them to correct their file. Here's what they're responsible for, and what you can safely and effectively dispute with them. 1. Incorrect personal information. Misspelled names. Wrong addresses, incorrect dates of birth, or social security numbers. Why it's safe. This type of info comes directly from data entry or third-party sources. It doesn't involve a lender or collection agency. It's strictly on the bureau to fix. Plus, errors like these can cause mixed files where someone else's accounts show up on your report. 2. Duplicate accounts. Same account listed more than once. Slightly different names or account numbers showing the same debt. Why it's safe. This can double your reported balance, inflate your credit usage, and damage your score. Since it's a formatting or reporting error, the bureaus can and should remove duplicates on their end. 3. Accounts that aren't yours. Identity theft. Someone else's account showing up due to a similar name or SSN. Why it's safe. The Fair Credit Reporting Act requires the bureaus to investigate claims of identity theft or mixed files. If you never opened the account and it's not yours, the bureaus have to either verify it with documentation or remove it. 4. Outdated negative information. Charge-offs, collections, or late payments older than 7 years. Bankruptcies older than 10 years. Why it's safe. Negative info has a legal expiration date. If the clock has run out, the bureau has no choice. It must come off. No special argument needed, just accurate timing. 5. Public records that don't belong to you. Civil judgments, tax liens, bankruptcies you never filed. Why it's safe. These often come from third-party vendors like LexisNexis. If your name ended up on a record that isn't yours or doesn't match your file, it's the bureau's job to correct or delete it. Part 2. What not to dispute with the bureaus. Now let's talk about what not to dispute directly with the bureaus, because if you do, you're probably going to get that frustrating verified response with no real investigation. 1. Accurate late payments, collections, or charge-offs. Why not? If the account is valid, even if you hate that it's there, disputing it won't work. It will likely be verified and stay on your report. Instead, try negotiating directly with the lender for a goodwill adjustment or a pay-for-delete if it's unpaid. 2. Debt validation requests. Why not? Debt validation is a legal request under the Fair Debt Collection Practices Act, but it must be sent to the debt collector, not the credit bureau. The bureau can't validate the debt. They're not the one trying to collect it. 3. Authorized inquiries. Why not? If you applied for credit, those inquiries are legit and will stay for up to 2 years. Only dispute inquiries you absolutely didn't authorize, and be ready to show proof. When it comes to these types of items, skip the online portal. Put it in writing, send it certified mail, and keep records. That's the only way to protect your rights and force a real investigation. If you've been disputing every negative item and getting nowhere, now you know why. It's not about disputing everything, it's about disputing the right things the right way. Focus on what actually works, and your credit will start moving in the right direction. What's the one thing on your credit report that's still confusing you? Drop your question in the comments. I read every one. And if this helped, give it a like, Hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.